Remove the protective covers of the two ends, female and male ends, of the waterproof round connectors. Align the largest arcs for the male and female connectors of the cable and then put them close to each other. Insert the male connector to the female connector. Forcibly adjust the male and female connectors to ensure that they are fully connected and on a straight line. Firmly fasten the metal ring of the female connector in counterclockwise direction. During the fastening, ensure that at least the red coil of the male connector is covered completely from the view vertical of the waterproof round connector. Open the seal box and remove the dustproof plug. Put the cable into the seal box and center the aviation connector in the seal box. Close the seal box using a tool or hands and ensure that the fastener covers the opposite side of the seal box tightly.